Guys, today I'm going to show you how to unsync photos in Google Photos. Let's get started. So first thing that we're gonna do is that we are gonna open our Google Photos app. So once we've opened it, we will be prompted in this right here. And from here, what we're gonna do is simply tap on our profile picture on the top right of our screen, just like that. And now that we're here, as you can see, this icon right here, it has a cloud that has a slash in it. It means that it is not backed up in this account, or this account is not backing up photos in your device. So as you can also see, backing up to a different account is what is stated right there. So at my other account that is logged in my device is the one that is backing up the photos right here on my device. So when you tap on it, as you can see the account that is backing up your photos or your contents right here on your phone or device. And to unsync it or to turn this off, you just simply need to tap here on the back app switch right there so that it won't be backed up anymore, or it won't sync from your Google Photos. So now once you go back right here, let's go back and go to our profile picture again, and as you can see, it says backup is off, and that is how you unsync your photos from Google Photos. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe button so that you won't miss our future updates. Thank you for watching.